So right now I have an empty Z stack but have frame and background black. I will mask this Z stack with the same height and width to make sure that we see only inside this frame. Here we have a Z stack with the 5 circles, and we have a right angle, have move. If it's true will be 135, else will be 0. This will move from here to there. Later this line will be black. I will just close it to have more space. Here we have the shape for this circle. So I will add the shape, and we'll have also, if it's true, will be 80 all to the right, else will be negative 70 over here. All we need now to animate this circle and fill this gap from, if it's true will be 50, and this one if it's true will be 360, and we have this effect.